that in 2020, having gone through a very tumultuous period of the COVID situation, now that we understand what it means to have a society, what it means to have a healthy society, one of the factors that actually make a healthy society is a healthy population. As we look at India now, though we are about more than 2 billion in population, there are sectors of India wherein the fertility is coming down, which means that in the future generations our population is going to be dwindling. So what is important right now is to understand that fact that fertility across the country is coming down and we need to take certain precautions against it. OSS has always been about prevention. So what we are trying to do here, and particularly because the government is also taking action in this and their attention is also in this, and that is why we have a Sexual and a Reproductive Health Day, what even the government is trying to do, and with their support, what OSS is also trying to do is bring attention to this one factor. What we want is not patients to come to fertility clinics. We want patients to take their health in their own hands, understand what are the aspects that is causing fertility in the society, and to stop all of those things so that then they can have a much more healthy reproductive life. As you can see, fertility centers are increasing in the cities, everywhere. Why is it? Because the demand is there. Why is the demand there? Because our lifestyles are actually going out of hand. The pollution in the air is causing infertility. The kind of diet that we have is causing infertility. So there are so many factors that the couple has to understand, and they have to take preventive actions so that their reproductive health is better. So this occasion that OSS is taken is not to say that infertility is high, please come to fertility centers. This is an occasion OSS is taking to make you aware about all the problems that are there and how you can actually negate these problems in your life so that you don't have to come to a fertility center. So this is a preventive action that we are trying to take. This is called as primary prevention, which means that you have to have the knowledge, take the knowledge, understand it, and make the required changes in your life so that you don't have to have infertility in your future. It is not just about us, the kind of lifestyle we are leading. It is actually going to cause problems for the future generation. There's already so much of global warming that we know of. Why is all of this happening? It's because we are not taking the preventive actions so that our planet and our lives and the future lives of the children is going to be better. So if you are healthy, the future generation in terms of the children you are going to have is also going to be healthy. If you are going to take fertility treatment and conceive, that is okay. But all the problems that you have, because of which you have fertility, is going to also pass on to your children. So we need to stop this right now. We need to take control of the situation. We need to have a healthy population. So this is one of the steps OSS is taken to try and actually educate all of you and also all of the doctors out there so that they can advise the people that come to them so that at least they can, at their level, reduce the incidence of infertility. So we encourage all of you to gather knowledge, reach out to us. We will give you the preventive tips that are required so that we can all have a healthy society and a future. Thank you.